Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet delicate amazing flower. For this one I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams, and seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. For this, make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be the first round of the single crochet. Make a chain. And while making the single crochet stitches, I will show you how to remove a long piece of yarn. Make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. My round is almost ready. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch. My round 1 is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be the second round with seed beads. I draw seed beads. Let's crochet round 2. Make a chain of 2. They are for transition. Make half double crochet with seed bead. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I worked into and make half double crochet. Continue. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make half double crochet. 2. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, make half double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the next stitch, make half double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the next stitch, make half double crochet. Let's complete round 3 together. In total it should be 12 of them. I skip 2 chains. Insert the hook into the first half double crochet, make slip stitch. Let's crochet round 3 of the flower. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip next stitch, insert the hook into the next one, make single crochet. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the next one, insert the hook into the second stitch, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second one, make single crochet. In total it should be 6 of them. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. Let's complete round 3 with me. I chain the last one. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Before I skip it, the chain. I have done a round of chain spaces. It was round 3. Let's crochet round 4. It is going to be the last round. Work into the chain space. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 2, draw seed beads, work into the chain space, make half double crochet with seed beads and picot. In total it should be 5 of them. Let's count. 1, make half double crochet into the chain space, then chain of 3 for the picot, and work with the slip stitch. Insert the hook into 2 loops of half double crochet. My half double crochet with picot is ready. Draw seed bead, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make half double crochet, then chain of 3, insert the hook into 2 loops, and work with a slip stitch. Well done. I have done 2 of them. In total it should be 5 of them. Make the third one, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make half double crochet, chain of 3, and work with a slip stitch. 4, and 5. And picot. Well done. I have done 5 half double crochet with seed bead and picot. Here how they look like. So my first petal is ready. Then I'm making the chain. Make front post single crochet around the stitch of the previous round. Make a chain. Make 5 half double crochet with seed bead and picot. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the chain space, make half double crochet, then chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch. Yarn over the hook, make half double crochet, then chain of 3. Chain of 3 and the slip stitch. Yarn over the hook, make half double crochet, 4, and the slip stitch, and 5. Don't forget about the picot. I have done all my stitches. In total it should be 5 of them. So my second petal is ready. Continue. Make a chain. Make front post single crochet around the stitch of the previous round. This is the single crochet. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook and make half double crochet with seed bead and picot. 1, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round together. Let's complete the last round together. And I have done front post and I did a chain. Right now I skip 2 chains. Insert the hook into the half double crochet, Make a slip stitch. My round is ready. To secure the yarn by making a chain, and my flower is done. If you would like to sew a bead, you should leave a long piece of yarn, or you can remove this yarn along the stitches, but you should cut off it. Let's look at the back side. You should remove a long piece of yarn and all yarns along the stitches using the sewing needle or crochet hook, and I will add a bead to the center of the flower, like this. And let's look at the result. So my flowers are ready. Here how they look like. One of them I have done with you, and the first one I have done, for example, in the same way as I did in this video tutorial. You can use it like a separate motif, or it could be part like a decoration for head scarf or another accessories, like a blanket, or also it could be perfect for keychain, for bracelet, and so on. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use such flower. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!